Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to send a photo, a video, or an exclusive document in a Telegram chat or channel and charge people money just to unlock it, you can actually do that right inside the app now without setting up any complicated external payment links. It's an awesome feature for creators, photographers, or anyone sharing digital goods. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to lock your media behind a paywall using Telegram stars. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Telegram app and head into the channel, group, or chat where you want to share the content. Tap the attachment or paperclip icon like you normally would when you're going to send a photo or a video file. Select the media you want to share, whether it's a high-res photo or a video clip, and make sure you attach it as a file or standard media. But don't hit send just yet. Look closely at the bottom or the caption menu before sending, and you'll see an option shaped like a little star or a tag for Make this content paid. Once you tap that paid media option, a prompt will pop up asking you to set the price. Telegram handles this using its in-app currency called Telegram stars. You can choose how many stars you want to charge for unlocking that specific file, whether it's 10 stars, 50 stars, or more, depending on how valuable the content is. Add a quick preview caption so people know what they're paying for, like a teaser or a description, and then hit send. The file will automatically post to your chat, but it will be completely blurred out for everyone until they pay. And that's it. When someone taps on the blurred file, Telegram prompts them to purchase the stars and unlocks the file instantly. If this quick tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, and let me know in the comments if you're planning to use paid media for your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.